Okay, we open the computer and then we come to the Windows interface. So you can find the Mastercard. This is our sole running software. We double click it and this software come out. And here is the Chinese. If you want to change language, you can press from here. Here got Chinese, English, Portugal, Greek, or any other languages. If you want to choose English, you just press English. Okay, press yes. And you have to restart this software to let it become English. Okay, we press here and then we restart it. Then you can see all the language come to English. So we introduce one by one. Here you can see is ruler stops, and here is reference, and this is tilting of the blade. This is the raise or down of the blade. And here we have ready. This is a lock. If this is locked, we press main scoring, main blade start, stop, scoring start. It can't work. This is a safety lock. If we are sure that there's no dangers around the machine, no other persons around here, or no other materials block the blade, then we can press ready. Okay, make sure there's no human near dangerous section. All the move parts are not blocked. Scoring blade, if already hidden, can't start. Okay, if you are sure about that, then you can press yes. Then this lock will be open. Then you can start the main saw or stop the main saw. Or you can start the scoring blade, stop the scoring blade from these touching screens. And if you press it again, it will be locked again. This is for the safety.